Have you been to North Carolina?
Not just the Outer Banks, not just the Biltmore, but the wild horses, the falling water, and the ridgelines that turn to flame in October. First, where the dunes roll straight into the sea, this is Shackleford Banks. No roads, no boardwalks, just wind, surf, and wild horses tracing the tide line. They've roamed here for centuries, hoofprints washed away by the Atlantic each night. If you catch them at sunset, it doesn't feel like a beach. It feels like a memory. Now we head west into the mountains. This is Dry Falls, a waterfall you can walk behind. 75 feet of white thunder crashing just inches away, and yet somehow your feet stay dry. Mist clings to the stone like it wants to remain part of the falls forever. Further north, rising suddenly from the trees, this is Pilot Mountain, a quartzite monolith breaking the horizon. From below, it looks impossible. From the summit, the forest feels like an afterthought, stone that outlasts weather, watching over rolling green. Then we follow the river to the edge of something deeper. This is Linville Falls. The water splits, then plunges in tears into a gorge carved by collapse. Louder than thunder, and older than the trail you hiked to get here. The overlook feels steady, but the stone is always shifting, and every drop that falls is rewriting the valley below. And finally, breaking back into daylight, we climb above the tree line to Roan Mountain Balds. Treeless ridges, rolling like the back of something ancient. In June, they blush pink with wildflowers. In October, they burn crimson at sunset. It feels like walking in the footsteps of a forgotten world. These aren't the scenes on souvenir magnets. They're harder to find, harder to outgrow. Have you been to North Carolina? You might want to look again. Follow Have You Been To so you don't miss what's hiding in your home state. And tell us, what should have made the list?